flower like we have in Tahiti, so tropical flowers, and maybe I can try with other flowers from here, a little bit similar by the color or the shape of the leaves or something like that. I just wanna see if it works or not and try it for the first time. I already have a design in mind, and I just need more flowers with more colors, like orchid and maybe some ginger, of something really bright, and a little bit of leaves like fern and tea leaf. So for the moment, that's what I have in mind.